Westermans here, a nice little order for plasma welders. 5 thermal Arc Ultima 150s, power sources only, and fully serviced and ready to use. Unfortunately these are no longer made, but they are a nice power source, very reliable. These will be shipped to the USA. Unfortunately no more in stock at present, but I'm sure sooner or later we'll come across a few more. As you can see, I've quite a few machines in stock at the minute. Sub-arc, power sources, MIGs, TIGs, Miller Pro Heat, 35s with or without cables, Lincoln DC 1000 traditionals with the transformers, Lincoln Power Waves, welding positioners, welding rotators, here are two Fronius cladding systems with hot wire systems. Linking in for repair. Nice bowed column boom supplied by Key Plant with a Lincoln AC/DC 1000 with sub-arc and twin wire with a power feed 10. Power sources, as you can see, just under there. Power Wave 1000. Brand new Pro Arc CNC plasma with XPR 300. Ready to be delivered. Obviously all the machines you see here at present, unless it's new, are service to order only. They arrive and stay in the condition we're purchased from, and then service to order, and warranty added where required. Nice ESAB compact MIGs in from my college. Another XPR 300. Good old favourite ESAB LAN 400. This side we have a Miller Big Blue 400X Pros, Miller 700s, Dual Pro, fume extraction from Needleman and Extractability. We also do a range of spot welders, butt welders, seam welders. Seam welders rather be resistance. Or with TIG or plasma. See whether we can find anything of interest down here. Obviously bowed, favourite name of ours for welding positioners, but nowadays there is other brands on the market. We also do our own brands. Spot welders from PAW, all new and boxed up. Pro Arc seam welders. New and used on the seam welders. Plasma profile machines. I believe we've got an Esprit there with a HPR 260 on it, and an Esprit Arrow with a new CNC. We also have HPR 400 on a VC, I believe it's a V CS, a Wortmann plasma machine. Stock is constantly changing, so if you don't see anything on this video, by all means drop us an email. You might find it's actually in stock. Thank you for looking.